wonder why Japanese people always start conversations talking about the weather? Today, we're giving you the secret phrases to join in. Let's go. Hey friend, welcome back to Easy Japanese Talk. I'm Mia, and I'm here with our favorite native speaker.
Hiro です。皆さん、こんにちは。
See, we're diving straight in today. Hiro, it's actually a little chilly in the studio today. How do we say it's cold in Japanese?
寒いですね。寒いですね。
寒いですね. I love that phrase because it's a perfect conversation starter. If you're new here, we make Japanese fun and easy. No textbooks allowed.
Easy, yes.
And if you've been following our journey through the first 10 episodes, you've already mastered greetings, ordering food, and even navigating trains. If you missed those, definitely check out our Beginner Basics playlist after this episode. Today is episode 11, and we are talking all about weather and seasons. This is huge in Japanese culture. Hiro, why do people talk about the weather so much in Japan?
Seasons are very important. Spring, summer, fall, winter, all very different.
Exactly. It's the universal small talk. So let's start with the basics of temperature. Hiro just said samui for cold. Let me say that slowly for you. Samui. Samui. What about when it's really hot, like in the middle of a Tokyo summer?
暑い。暑いです。暑い。暑いです。
Atsui. Slowed down is atsui. Atsui.
暑いですね。暑いですね。
Oh, I heard that ne at the end again. We've heard that in earlier episodes, right? It's like saying, it's hot, isn't it?
Yes, ne is for agree with me.
Perfect. So if you're standing on a bus stop and you want to talk to the person next to you, you just say, atsui desu ne or samui desu ne. Instant connection. Now let's learn more temperature words. We've got hot, atsui, cold, samui. What about warm, like nice spring weather, is?
温かい。温かい。
Atatakai, warm. This one's a bit longer. A-ta-ta-kai. Say it with me. Atatakai.
温かい。温かい。
Good. And cool, like nice autumn weather, is?
涼しい。涼しい。
Suzushii. Cool. Suzushii. Suzushii. So now you can describe any temperature. Hot, cold, warm, cool. Let's practice. Hiro, how's the weather today?
今日は涼しいです。今日は涼しいです。
Kyou wa suzushii desu. Today is cool. Kyou means today. How about yesterday?
昨日は暑かったです。昨日は暑かったです。
Yesterday was hot. Kino is yesterday. See how natural this is? Now, let's learn actual weather conditions. Sunny or clear is
晴れ。晴れ。
hare, sunny. So it's sunny today is
今日は晴れです。今日は晴れです。
kyou wa hare desu. Today is sunny. Cloudy is
曇り。曇り。
kumori, cloudy. It's cloudy is
曇りです。曇りです。
kumori desu. Rain is
雨。雨。
ame. Rain. It's raining is
雨が降っています。雨が降っています。
ame ga futteimasu. It's raining. Futteimasu means is falling. Snow is
雪。雪。
yuki. Snow. It's snowing is
雪が降っています。雪が降っています。
yuki ga futteimasu. Same pattern. Let's practice a quick weather check. I'll ask, Hiro answers. How's the weather today?
今日は晴れです。今日は晴れです。
It's sunny. Nice. Is it hot?
ちょっと暑いです。ちょっと暑いです。
A little hot. Chotto means a little. Perfect. Now here's a phrase you'll hear constantly. Good weather is
いい天気。いい天気。
ii tenki. Good weather. Tenki is weather. And the full phrase
いい天気ですね。いい天気ですね。
ii tenki desu ne. Nice weather, isn't it? This is the conversation starter in Japan. You see someone, you say konnichiwa, then immediately ii tenki desu ne. Boom, conversation started.
Very common. Everyone says this.
Everyone. It's like the Japanese version of how are you, but about the weather. Okay, you're already learning how to talk about weather like a local. And if you're finding these phrases helpful, do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right now. It helps Hiro and me keep these lessons coming for you.
Subscribe, please.
Now, before we get into the 4 seasons, let's learn how to ask about the weather. How's the weather is
天気はどうですか?天気はどうですか?
天気はどうですか? How's the weather? Do means how, or super casually,
天気どう?天気どう?
just tenki do, weather, how. Very natural between friends. Now let's dive into Japan's famous 4 seasons. All right, Japan is famous for its 4 distinct seasons. Let's learn them. Spring is
春、春。
haru. Spring. This is cherry blossom season. Absolutely beautiful. Summer is
夏、夏。
Natsu. Summer. Hot and humid, but festivals everywhere. Autumn or fall is
秋、秋。
aki. Autumn. Beautiful red and orange leaves. Winter is
冬、冬。
fuyu. Winter. Cold and sometimes snowy. Let's practice them all. Hiro, the 4 seasons.
春、夏、秋、冬。春、夏、秋、冬。
Haru, Natsu, Aki, Fuyu. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Beautiful. Now to say in spring or in summer, you add ni after the season. So in spring is
春に、春に。
haru ni, in spring. In summer is
夏に、夏に。
natsu ni. Easy pattern. Let's talk about what's special about each season. In spring, the famous thing is
桜、桜。
cherry blossoms. Sakura, cherry blossoms. You'll hear people say
桜が咲いています。桜が咲いています。
sakura ga saiteimasu. The cherry blossoms are blooming. Saiteimasu means blooming. Spring is also when many things start in Japan. School year, work year. In summer, people enjoy
花火、花火。
fireworks. Hanabi, fireworks. Summer festivals with fireworks are huge. And people go to the beach.
ビーチ、ビーチ。
Beachy, beach. Summer is hot, but fun. And speaking of hot, summer in Japan is not just hot, but it's
蒸し暑い、蒸し暑い。
mushiatsui. This is what summer in Tokyo feels like. In autumn, everyone loves
紅葉、紅葉。
fall leaves, koyo, autumn leaves. The red and orange colors are stunning. People go koyo gari, leaf viewing, just like hanami for cherry blossoms. And winter, well,
スキー、スキー。and 温泉、温泉。
ski and onsen, skiing and hot springs. Winter in Japan is magical, especially with snow festivals. Now let's talk about forecasts. Weather forecast is
天気予報、天気予報。
Tenki-yohou, weather forecast. To say, according to the forecast, you say
天気予報によると、天気予報によると。
Tenki-yohou ni yoruto, according to the forecast, and then add what it says, like
天気予報によると、明日は雨です。天気予報によると、明日は雨です。
Tenki-yohou ni yoruto, ashita wa ame desu. According to the forecast, it'll rain tomorrow. Ashita is tomorrow. Now, temperature. The word for temperature is
気温、気温。
kion, temperature. In Japan, they use Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Degrees is
度、度。
do, degrees. So 20 degrees is
20度、20度。
nijudo, 20 degrees. To ask, what's the temperature, you say
気温は何度ですか?気温は何度ですか?
気温は何度ですか? What's the temperature? Let's practice. 10 degrees,
10度、10度。
10度. 25 degrees,
25度、25度。
25度. -5 degrees,
マイナス5度、マイナス5度。
-5 度. Just use minus. Let's have a complete weather conversation. Ready? Hey, Hiro, how's the weather today?
いい天気ですね。晴れです。
いい天気ですね。晴れです. Nice weather. It's sunny. Is it hot?
ちょっと暑いです。25度ぐらいです。
ちょっと暑いです。25度ぐらいです. A little hot. About 25 degrees. What about tomorrow?
天気予報によると、明日は曇りです。
天気予報によると、明日は曇りです. According to the forecast, cloudy tomorrow. Perfect natural conversation. Now let's learn some more useful expressions. A few more conditions. Windy is
風が強い、風が強い。
風が強い. The wind is strong. Kaze is wind. Typhoon, Japan gets these in late summer and autumn, is
台風、台風。
typhoon. Important to know. It looks like rain is
雨が降りそうです。雨が降りそうです。
雨が降りそうです. Looks like it'll rain. So this means looks like. Now, seasonal expressions. When seasons change, you might say
だいぶ暖かくなりましたね。だいぶ暖かくなりましたね。
だいぶ暖かくなりましたね. It's gotten quite warm, hasn't it? なりました means became. Or in autumn,
すっかり秋ですね。すっかり秋ですね。
すっかり秋ですね. It's totally autumn now. In summer, you'll constantly hear
暑いですね。暑いですね。
暑いですね. It's hot. Stretch that ne. And in winter,
寒くなりましたね。寒くなりましたね。
寒くなりましたね. It's gotten cold. These seasonal greetings are so natural. Let's do one complete weather conversation. Everything we learned. I'm a friend. Hiro is checking in. Ready? Hey, Hiro. How are you?
元気です。いい天気ですね。
元気です. いい天気ですね. I'm good. Nice weather. Yeah, but it's getting hot, right?
そうですね。だいぶ暑くなりましたね。もう夏ですね。
そうですね。だいぶ暑くなりましたね。もう夏ですね. Right, it's gotten quite hot. It's already summer. What's the forecast for tomorrow?
天気予報によると、明日は雨が降りそうです。
天気予報によると、明日は雨が降りそうです. According to the forecast, it looks like rain tomorrow. Oh no!
残念ですね。残念ですね。
残念ですね. That's too bad. 残念 means disappointing. Perfect.
できた !You did it!
You really did. Let's review the essentials. Hot,
暑い、
cold,
寒い、
warm,
暖かい、
cool,
涼しい、
sunny,
晴れ、
cloudy,
曇り、
rain,
雨、
snow,
雪、
weather,
天気。
nice weather,
いい天気ですね。
spring,
春、
summer,
夏、
autumn,
秋、
winter,
冬、
temperature,
気温、
degrees,
度、
forecast.
天気予報。
Perfect. You can now talk about weather and seasons like a Japanese local. That's a huge conversation skill. Here's your challenge this week. Check the weather forecast every day and practice saying it in Japanese. 今日は晴れです。明日は雨です. Make it part of your morning routine.
いい練習。Good practice.
The best! And think about this. You've built real conversation skills. Weather talk is how you connect with people in Japan. If today's episode helped you understand weather talk in Japanese, would you hit that thumbs up? It really helps other learners discover us.
お願いします。Please.
And here's what I'm curious about. Which season do you want to experience in Japan? Spring for sakura, summer for festivals, autumn for koyo, winter for snow? Tell me in the comments. Next time, episode 12, we're learning about hobbies and interests. You'll be able to talk about what you like to do, ask others about their hobbies, and have real personal conversations.
趣味、hobbies. Next time.
can't wait. And we're putting together a seasonal guide with weather vocabulary, temperature ranges, and what to pack for each season in Japan. If that sounds helpful, let us know. You absolutely nailed it today. Weather talk is such an important skill for making connections. You should be really proud.
またね、皆さん。
じゃあね! See you next time!